Airiamun na iwongoni kini kanuka Karamoja Games nuda bait aitegar lolo kesimame pota jaikin kanu ekada la piai.
I can see our weather changing. In the field I can see Amudat already warming up.
Aboliasio Nuko Karamoja Games nese aponi itojo karai tegar okari lukumniare keda itomona kanyare nuda Apollo Kit Minister na Ashoman keda Aboliasio Janet Kataha Museveni.
As we the Karamojons, we are very happy that sports would unite us, sports would create for us peace in the region. So I call upon everyone in the region that let us ensure that we support this initiative to ensure that the youth of Karamoja get lively through sports.
Aboliasio ngun kesi Carlo Atubor aponi tolo sitete kotomo district alokona kapirpirit neda abu district ta loko moroto itelekara kwape champions.
We're having sports for talent sites. We are also having tree planting activity. We want to thank the Ministry of Water and Environment for giving us tree seedlings that we will be today planting trees to ensure that we keep Karamoja green. So from today forth going forward, in all our editions, we shall be moving forward to ensure trees are planted in Karamoja.
Aboliasio Nuko Karamoja Games nisida itodia narata idwe atalantan kotoma inapatano adingirir volleyball, handball, netball, woodball kotoma achi. Etegerak lu Aboliasio kangun nisida ikeun tosebe Aboliasio ngun kesimame pota jaikin kwape dama mkes epidototor adomuna PI noda isilosiknete Aboliasio nguna jaikin Karamoja kwape yari nisida abu itegea Aboliasio ngun kwape ipone diope loda irereunet atalantan kanejasi atomonak Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East.
So Amudat and is taken quickly.